Hey, it's Anthony from the Pyke Team here. Today I'm going to be looking at some of what we find in the mechanical systems when I go on a showing. A lot of my buyers, they're looking at the layout, they're looking at the finishes. I always will go and look at the electrical panel, the furnace, the hot water tank, even the AC. Again, what I want to know is what condition this furnace is in. Nowadays, if you're looking to replace a furnace, you could be running $3,500, $4,000 for a new furnace. High efficiency furnaces like this, they have the white pipes on them. Some of the older furnaces, when you go back into about 2002 to 2008, they have these black plastic pipes. Anything even older than that would have something along the lines you see on this hot water tank over here, if you can see those metal pipes. This furnace here, most of them will have a gas tag on it. This one was installed in 2012. So the age of this furnace, even though, I mean, it's in immaculate condition, this one, it's approaching 12 years old. They say the average age is about 15 years for these high efficiency ones. So while I may say it's getting toward the end of its life, again, it really depends on the condition. Take a look at the hot water tanks. 95+% of the time, these are rentals. So it's something to consider. You're adding an additional cost. For something of this size, it's probably only going to be about $20 a month. This one was done in 2012, so it's still got some life into it. I would always say if you're taking on a rental contract, look into it a bit further. Sometimes they've already exceeded their contract and you are due for a brand new replacement, or you can buy out the contract as well for a pretty low cost. Another option is to install them yourselves. Hot water tanks are generally prone to a bit more failure. That's why you see them a lot as a rental. And then one more, let's take a look. Fortunately, everything's really close by, is the electrical panel. So I'm going to see this is a big, large panel. It has lots of empty spaces, which I like to see if you're expanding, if you're renovating, if you want to add to your property. I want to see that there's room in the panel. This one looks like it's been updated. It's got more modern looking breakers versus you find something that I still see with fuses. We definitely want to stay away from that. To upgrade a panel like this, so let's say it is fuses and you want to upgrade to breakers, you're looking at about $2,000, give or take, depending if you're a 100 amp or 200 amp service. But you probably would be looking around that kind of cost to upgrade a panel.